Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about enable end user to select a theme for Apex application. Today, we shall learn about the theme roller. It enables easy customization of look and feel of your application. It allows you to modify a number of style attributes and see changes at the runtime. It allows you to save your change as a new theme style or existing theme style. So let's log into your Apex workspace and run your application. Then under the development toolbar, you have a customization option. Then you have a theme roller. So by default, we have Iris theme as a selected theme. Then we have appearance, header, dark, navigation, and this. You can change it to as per your requirement. You can see that the color of this pillar, for example, you can change it to rose, natural, slim. You can see that. Then we have a header, and we can use light, pillar. So you can see that we are changing the attributes values here, and you can see the change that runtime here. Then we have a navigation. We can use it to pillar, or you can see light. Then we have font family, pickle sense. Then we have palette color, link colors. We can change to any of the color we want. You can see that the links colors are changed. Can use a little bit brownish color. Okay. Then we have multiple color scheme here. After that, we have layout option for the height width. For example, if you want to increase the height or squeeze the height. Similarly for trees, you can see navigation tree. We can change it. Then we have actions column, left side. Then we have custom CSS here. So you can customize the CSS. For example, if we want to change the color of this action bar, so we can use the customize CSS. For example, first we have to identify the class that is using in the toolbar control. This is the class that is. Then we have another class here, which is the outer shell. This one. Now we want to set the properties. Background color, and then we can choose any of the color that we want. Let's select the chocolate color. Mark it as important. So you can see that we have changed the color of this toolbar. So you can use the customized CSS as per your requirement, and you can modify the theme by using the theme roller. Now, at the end, if you want to save it as a new theme, so you can save it as custom theme, and it will save as a new theme. So you can see that now we have this theme in a list for the select theme. You can, if you don't want to use this, you can simply select your previous theme. But if you want to use this, you can choose the theme. In this way, you can create multiple themes as per your requirement. Everything will be same. You can modify here as well. So I hope you have learned something useful at Developer's Diary. And this is all about the theme roller. One option you can also use is the edit logo. If you want to upload any logo here, then you can choose logo and save it. It will automatically appear in the logo bar. Uh, you can see that the logo has been uploaded. So this is all about the custom. You can also change the icon of your application directly from here. So see you in the next tutorial. I hope you have learned something useful in Developer's Diary. Thank you for watching.